If you've ever asked yourself, why do I keep attracting men who like me, but they don't respect me? This episode is for you because attraction without respect is a setup for emotional exhaustion. Today, we're breaking down exactly what it looks like to attract a man who respects your time, your voice, your boundaries, and your vision for love. I'm Andrea Brown, and I help magnetic, intentional women attract commitment without chasing, shrinking, or settling. And every episode, I give actionable steps to help transform your love life as you know it. Let's be clear, respect isn't just him opening doors or paying for dinner. That's courtesy. Respect is way deeper. It looks like this: listening when you speak and not interrupting or minimizing your voice, taking your boundaries seriously without testing them, being consistent, especially when no one's watching, valuing your emotional world even when it's inconvenient. A man who respects you doesn't just show up when he wants something. He shows up because he sees your value, even when it's hard. Respect starts with you. When you deeply respect yourself, your time, your energy, your emotions, you begin attracting people who mirror that back. Here's what women who consistently inspire respect in relationships do differently. Number one, they don't perform for validation. They let men experience them as they are, not as a role they're auditioning for. Number two, they speak directly, not passively. They're clear about what they want, but never combative. That combination, extremely magnetic. They don't explain boundaries, they reinforce them. If a man tests the limit, she doesn't re explain. She honors it and it removes access if needed. That quiet clarity is unforgettable. They choose peace over potential. Instead of staying in hopes that he'll eventually get it, she moves on and makes room for someone who already does. If a man respects you, you won't have to guess. But here's how to spot it early. Pay attention to how he responds to no. If you set a limit and he guilt trips or tries to push past it, that's a sign. A respectful man honors your boundary without needing an explanation. Ask, how does he handle disappointment? If you can't make a date, does he react with grace or passive aggression? Respect shows up when things don't go his way. Watch how he speaks about other women. If he tears down exes, his mother, or strangers, don't assume you're the exception. Respect isn't selective, it's a character trait. Action step one, set a micro boundary this week. Say no, speak up, or pause before over explaining, even in small interactions. Watch how people around you respond. Your job isn't to avoid being too much. It's to show up in your truth and let that filter your environment. Action two, journal your respect inventory. Write down 3 moments from past relationships where you felt disrespected and then identify what would have made you feel safe instead. This will help you name and claim what respect looks like for you going forward. Tell me in the comments, what's one small action that makes you feel deeply respected in a relationship? You never know who needs your story. And wifey, if you're watching this and thinking, I know I've settled for less than I deserve before and I'm ready to shift, here's how I can help. Number one, take the free love block assessment. Get clarity on what's kept you stuck in this disrespectful dynamics. Grab the Transform Your Love Life guide. It pairs with my full YouTube series and gives you real journaling based momentum. Check out the Transform collection. There are many one-on-one coaching packages to help you shift fast. Those also, all of those packages also include the guide to help support you. And apply for Marriage Magnetism, my 90-day program for women ready to attract deep, secure, emotionally available love. Join the waitlist for Marriage Material Academy. It's self-paced sisterhood, structured support for women who are done playing small. Everything is linked below and in the comments. You are not too much. You're just ready for more love. Okay. If you love this episode, you'll want to watch my video on what makes a woman truly magnetic right here. Because respect isn't something you demand. It's something you naturally attract when you start embodying next level self. You deserve a love that honors you, all of you. See you next time.